Yep, another good day. Staring at a computer screen all day. It's alright. I was making plans and a couple of phone calls and making sure I'm restocking my consumables because they're looking a little sad. I'm down to like 3, 4 cut-off wheels, 1 good flap disc. So yeah, getting that, and I'm going to get myself a respirator for welding and grinding and stuff. I don't really like breathing in that dust, it's horrible, so yeah, it's all good. Just another crazy day. Might try and do a little bit more on this cage, do a bit more welding, and then I get to get back and do some more plans, and then it's bedtime. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed your first day of freedom for those in New Zealand, and if you got stuck at work, hopefully it's alright out there, not too crazy with standing away from people and not going near people and not talking to people and whatever else you're not allowed to do these days. Hope it went well for you. I like it in my little bubble. This is my normal life. I don't go out, so it's all good. I'm just used to this. This is good. Well, as they say, every little bit helps. So at least now I've got, this is all welded off, same with the other side. Pretty much at the end of what I can weld up-ish. I need to take the light bar down, I need to take these out so that I can weld these, but I don't really want to weld these at the moment. Because I don't want to wreck the windscreen, and obviously I've still got to weld all of these, and so yeah, we're getting there. I'll pull it all down, and I've decided to bite the bullet, and I probably will put cage joiners in there before I weld it off, and I've just got to do a little bit of adjustment here. Wasn't quite happy with it after looking at it. So literally just have to take a couple of millimeters out just to make it fit better so I can weld it nicer. And yeah, hopefully got some steel coming soon. And we will get there. We will get there. Getting excited. It's like just getting excited. Got a few things that are just happening and everything's falling into place, and yeah, it's all good. Can't wait till it's done. It's going to be a good day. Right, enough from me. How about we go to the land of the 3S GTE and cool stuff. Let's go to Thailand for some off-road trophy where 95% of the buggies are running a 3S GTE, generally on Hilux axles. And they've got a god winch and they weigh nothing. You look at these things, it was like I was saying earlier on, just sort of slapped together rigs, cool little buggies. You look, they got coilovers, they got a god winch, they got a good motor, they got like strong chromoly axles or portals or whatever. These guys spend the money to get the good parts so they can go do hardcore stuff. So you enjoy this action, and hope you guys enjoyed your first day back at work. I did some welding, it was good. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll keep doing this vlog until such a time that I can't. And it'll be good. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.